Ever wonder why some videos feel effortless while others feel choppy? The secret lies in the art of the seamless transition. It is not just about flashy effects. It is about storytelling through precise timing and fluid motion. The most powerful cuts are often invisible. Take the match cut, where movement in one scene flows perfectly into the next. By cutting precisely on action, you trick the eye into seeing a single, continuous stream of energy rather than separate clips. Think of your edit like water. It should flow naturally, guiding the viewer's gaze without any jarring interruptions. But sometimes, you want the transition to be noticed. Stylistic moves like whip pans add energy and a modern cinematic flair. Pair these with consistent color grading to ensure the mood stays locked even when the scenery changes completely. Mastering these techniques transforms a simple edit into a cinematic experience. It is all in the details. So, keep practicing, keep cutting, and master the cut. Your audience will thank you for the ride.